Next drug is propranolol. Propranolol synthesis is started by using 1-naphthol. It reacts with epichlorohydrin, give rise to this ether compound, and further this compound is reacted with isopropylamine that give rise to propanol. We can divide this structure in major three parts. This part that come from naphthol, second part this one that come from epichlorohydrin, and next this part that come from isopropylamine. So we can divide this structure in different three parts, and we can write the starting materials from which this drug is synthesized. Next drug is nifedipine. Nifedipine synthesis is started with 2-nitrobenzaldehyde and 2 molecules of ethyl acetoacetate in presence of NH3 and few drops of acid give rise to nifedipine drug. Synthesis of verapamil. Synthesis of verapamil is started by using 2-methoxyphenol. It reacts in the presence of diethyl sulfate, formaldehyde, and sodium cyanide. All these are added one by one and give rise to this compound. We can compare this compound with starting material. What changes has been taken place, so we can check here. At hydroxy position, methoxy group comes, whereas on para position to methoxy group, reaction will take place, and this functional group is added at this position. This compound is further react with isopropyl bromide, give rise to this compound, and this compound is further used to synthesize verapamil. Whereas on other side of this reaction is reduced, followed by reaction with 1-bromo 2-chloroethane give rise to this compound. We can check here what changes has been taken place. In first step, NH2 group is formed during reduction, and in second step HBr is eliminated. Br from this 1-bromo 2-chloroethane, whereas H come from this NH2. So this is two-step reaction and we get this compound. These two compounds are combined to give rise to verapamil in presence of KOH and tetrabutyl ammonium chloride, and in second step formic acid is used that give rise to our verapamil drug. Here at this position we can see what changes has been taken place. By dividing this drug we can easily find out what part come from which chemical, and we can easily learn this synthesis.